Hi everyone. So today I'm with my daughter Mariam. She's 10 years old. If you remember in my early days, I used to have her sitting next to me and featuring her sometimes in my channel. Now Mariam has grown a little bit and she has become one of my critics. She says, Daddy, your videos sometimes are boring and I'm trying to make them interesting. So I invited her to give us some feedback. And I would like to see what you think and if you agree with her. So, Mariam, what would you like to say? How can I make my videos more interesting?
Um, Hi everyone, my name is Mariam. I'm 10 years old. So what you can do is so if you guys watch my dad's videos, if you notice, his thumbnails, they're like kind of new. They have like new colors, new writing, and um, so he changed up his thumbnail, and then maybe he could like change up his name for the video. Like if they're like the new Cybertruck, maybe when that came out, like I think it came out like last year. When that came out, he could have done like for a video. He could have done like for the title. He could have put the new Tesla exclamation mark and then, yeah, and then put all in capital, and then people would like be like, oh, what's the new Tesla, and they would be like curious and they would want to click on the video and they would want to watch
What
it.
about introduction? Like, how do I start my videos? I think you had some comments about that, right?
Oh yeah. So so he could be like, instead, because he always is like, hi everyone, welcome back to Torque News.
No, I don't talk like that.
So I would do that, would be like, hey everyone, welcome back to Torque News. Today we're going to be talking about the new Cybertruck. Yes, I can't believe it. It's a new Cybertruck. It's new formed. It's like very different than our normal everyday Teslas. So make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video and da 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 da. And another thing I told him to do is do like giveaways, like um, when he's doing his introduction, he could be like, so my name is Armin Harayan, we're talking about the da 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 da, and then after that he could be like, oh, by the way, I'm giving away this iPhone 13 or this MacBook Pro or iPad, and all you have to do is subscribe and comment down below like why you need it. And in the next video, I will reach out to the person who won, and I will say it in my next video. And then he will
Well, maybe I should consider that, giving giveaways.
And then I was also thinking about maybe like doing collaborations, because I mean, my dad's not just a reporter. There are more reporters in the world too, and so maybe if he finds one where we live, in South Carolina, maybe he can like reach out to him and he's like, hey, maybe you want to do a collab? Like we can, like they brought me this new electric car.
You can say she has watched some videos on YouTube, right?
It's really high tech, so I was thinking maybe we can look at it together. And so he can, reach out to other people, car reporters, and do collaborations with them. So
Right. Any more comments or that's it?
that's it.
Okay, friends. Well, thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you. What are the ways I can improve my videos? Let me know, friends, to make them more interesting. In the meantime, if this all sounds interesting, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and give us thumbs up. And please ring the bell after you subscribe so you don't miss my next Tesla or electric vehicle coverage. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And I'll see you soon in our next report.